Hello. Good February, in the words of Coach. Is that too deep of a New Girl quote? I don't know. It's February, which is wild. There is so much snow on the ground. That doesn't do anything for you. Let me see if I can turn this camera. Turn around, the camera, turn around. Before you get double chins, you need to turn the camera around. I have this tendency to think that I need something else to do the thing that I want to do instead of just like doing the thing that I want to do. So this week I'm convinced I need a camera for vlogging. I've been convinced of that for a long time, but I've just been continuing to put my money elsewhere instead of save for it naturally. So I've just been using my phone forever and ever, which is fine. It's fine. But I have like 100,000 items of photos and videos on my phone, and if I'm using it for like work, personal, social, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, I mean, like, I just need to clear out my phone and not have to use it all the time. So that's the other part of it too. I'm trying to tell myself, like, how in 2022 can I be less reliant on my phone, make more videos, and grow on social media. No, but really, like, when I'm not using my phone for work, for social, for all that stuff, is my phone shaking because it's sitting on my car right now? I think it is. This is another reason why I just need a real camera. But okay, I'm trying to think of ways that I can be like less reliant on my phone, because right now I like take, edit, use all of it. It's all on my phone. My whole life is there, which is terrifying. So if you have any vlog cameras, if you're a fellow YouTuber or a vlogger or person who likes cameras, I'd love to know what you prefer. I was looking at the Canon like M50 because I like the white, but I've also heard like maybe it's like Mark II, 7, Mark 12, Mark Joe. That's not funny. The Mark like GX7 Mark II. Is that a camera? It's like tiny. I think it's from Canon. I have a Canon T6i that I love for photos and stuff because, like, I'm not trying to be like a professional wedding photographer. I'm just trying to take nicer photos in my real life and practice and have like a semi-profesh camera for my life, you know? Fake it till you make it and stuff. So I like that. But trying to vlog with that, like, can you imagine me in the airport like, hey guys, it's me at the airport. I don't know why the airport is the vlog scenario, but you know what I'm saying. It's like huge and bulky if you have a Canon T6i. So that's kind of like, I'm trying to like not draw attention to myself. That's why the phone's been so good. But again, trying to just get like less storage on my phone, have a more organized setup, and also just get away from using my phone in 2022. So drop your camera recs, doodly doo in the comments. What else is new? I'm just chatting to chat, y'all. I'm in the car. Steve has Daisy for nap. I'm supposed to be on my way to work. I'm telling myself that I should get a Starbucks, even though I already got a coffee today. But I'm like feeling that mood. It is 12:26 p.m. Second coffee vibes are on deck, and I feel like I need it. So I have a meeting, a very important meeting at 2 p.m. Nope, it's at 1. So if I'm gonna get a coffee, it's gotta be now. As you can see, the coffee is already working, the morning coffee. I need to reapply my lipstick. No one likes that, but I forgot my makeup in the house. Anyways, I'm just chatting to chat because Steve has Daisy for a nap. I'm about to go to work. I'm gonna go to the gym after work. What was I saying? Oh, Steve is on vacation still. So the way he did it was, when you're in nursing, if you are in nursing, you'll be familiar with this. If you're not, I'll explain something really quickly. I grew up with my mom doing this. My husband now does it. I'm sure my sister will do it when she's a nurse. I'm surrounded by nurses. Ugh, I'm dying. Okay. Anyways, when you're a nurse, you can stack your days. So Steve had like an actual official week off of vacation, and then he stacked his days. So he did 3 days in a row before we went away. And now he's into his week. His vacation is up. He's into his new week of work, but he's stacking his days for this week on Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So he's off right now, even though his vacation's over, because he's still like in his week where he's like stacking the rest of his days. So that's really great because he had like more time than just the 7 days. I am trying to meal prep, do work, go to the gym, do things that are so much harder to do when it's me and Daisy for 13 hours a day. And when really, like, on the days that I have her by myself, all I can really do is focus on work. And I don't really have a lot of extra time unless I have childcare help from my sister that day. But she is back to school and she's in clinical. So chances are slim, but not none. So I'm trying to get all the things that I can get done now while I have Steve. Oh my gosh, if I end up posting this video and it's just like rocky, shaky, I am truly so sorry. I'm just gonna hold it because I've talked for 6 minutes and I don't want to waste this video on a shaky car. You know what? Let's just go get coffee before my meeting. Let's just do that. Let's just go together. We'll get a coffee. We'll see what we get. We'll see how it goes. We'll see if it helps. We'll see. Let's do it. Okay, I got the coffee because nothing says venti iced coffee like 28 degrees. And I am filling in my car and realizing there's someone in the car next to me, but we're just gonna overcome it. Also, I bought these leggings at Target when I was in Florida last week because we were on vacation, but it was like freezing. And I went to Target to get leggings because I had like no pants. All I brought was dresses. And apparently the like classic flared legging, like the traditional, what used to just be referred to as like yoga pants, seems to be making a return. Bought a pair, love them. I'll link them in the description. Anyways, I'm super happy about it because I like that style a lot. So if you don't, I really apologize. But anyways, apparently they're making a comeback and you should get them. So I'll link them. Oh, it's 12:45. So I'm going to go try to make it to my meeting. I had to go off island because there's a Starbucks on the island, but I didn't know if they had the flavor that I want. And hello, God forbid I go all that way for coffee and they don't have the flavor. Toffee nut has been like weirdly out in a lot of places. So anyways, this is my first world problem. Welcome. Anyways, I have like 5 minutes to get back to my meeting. So like, let's go. Let's do it. Okay. Venti iced coffee with 3 pumps of toffee nut and a splash of soy milk. Bye. I made it to my meeting. It was almost 2 hours long, but it was very productive, so I'll take it. And the space in the gym just got a new piano. So I'm gonna practice a little. For once I was afraid and lost, but now your love, it lifts me up, and I'm rendered speechless in your arms. Your touch is like the fire and the flame, and I am only left undone. You are my one. Thanks for coming along with me today. See you soon. Bye.